Most of the times when we don't want a particular person to message us on WhatsApp, we resort to blocking that very person. And in order to do that, just like this very one, you may either tap on that person's profile, just select, and you block that very person. And the moment you block that very person, the person actually gets the notification on his or her chat area. Maybe the person goes back to message you again. He or she may discover that you've actually blocked him or her. And it will be very obvious. In this video, I will show you a new way you can actually block that person without the person knowing. And the person may even be still sending message, not knowing that it's not actually getting to you. So if you be blocking someone, you just need to do it the new way. You don't need to even block that person. You can do it in a very tricky way, and the person will not even know you've actually blocked him or her. In order to do that, you just need to tap on that very person's profile. Now, for instance, just like this very one that I've tapped on. Now, tap on this icon area, then scroll down to where we have notifications. You can see these notifications. Tap on it. Now, here under the message, you have mute. You're going to mute that person so that the moment the person sends a message, you will not get any notification from that very person. And by that, you won't even know whether the person sent message or not. So you just need to turn it on. And in turning it on, you're going to be presented with this message asking you, how long do you want to mute that person's message? Okay, it may be for an hour, a week, or always, as the case may be. So it all depends on what you need. Let's take, for instance, I wish to mute this person's message. I don't want to kind of get notified whether this person mentioned me, whether this person texts me or thereabout. I don't want to. So let me just say, for the matter of 8 hours, I just select that and click OK. Now, if you've done that, if the person send a message, you're not going to get any notification. Now, having done that, the next thing you're going to do is to still scroll down. You see this area where we have chat lock. You're going to also turn it on. Okay? With this, you're going to lock and hide that person's chat or messages with you on your device. So if you turn it on this way right now, you can see it is asking you keep this chat locked and hidden. Okay, so you just need to do the needful with this. That person's chat with you is already turned on. So with this, when the person message you, you are not going to see that person's message. You can even see person is already out of my WhatsApp contacts. But if you actually want to bring back that person, you can see on this top area where we have locked chat. You can just tap on it. You see where that is hidden. Okay, so anytime you just wish to access it, you can just go there. So this is just a new way you can actually stop someone from sending a message to you without you blocking that person. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it, subscribe to this channel, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I upload new video on this particular channel. Thank you.